Ooh, wow, what a gorgeous haircut. Beautiful shaggy cut with a copper color. Wow, and this is right on trend with all the styles that we are seeing this season. Such a gorgeous hairstyle idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist mixing in some color as well as doing a cut. Wow, looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Beautiful layers to frame out the face. Oh, this is gorgeous. So simple and chic. He does go back in and add even more coloring. This added a really nice dimension to her brunette hair. Very nice. And she does have more of like a mini bob style. Very cute. Next up, we have someone else in the salon chair. Now it looks like she is definitely going to be getting some color with this one. She's got the grown out dark roots. Ooh, wow. She kind of got like a mullet style here. Oh, this is very cute. Or like a shaggy mullet variation, the shallot. Very nice haircut and color. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. She looks absolutely amazing. And so far, I am loving all of these modern haircuts that we are seeing in today's video. They are right on trend with fall's hottest new looks. Next up, we have someone adding some color to their pixie. Very nice hint of blonde going here. Oh, wow. Beautiful undercut pixie style. And she ended up getting kind of like a split dye. So she has blonde going here on one side. This is very cool girl hair right here. Very nice. So we have some bangs being added for the next style. Oh, and she's also getting some color for this hair change. Wow, such a fun hairstyle idea. She has a peekaboo pop of platinum on one side, and it looks like copper orange on the other. Beautiful wolf cut style haircut with a face framing bangs. Oh, she looks so adorable. Can you imagine being this young and having the ability to have fun with your hair like that? I would have loved this self-expression. So we move on to the next hair transformation. Beautiful shoulder length strands, the tousled curls. And then we see someone with mid-length blonde hair. Oh, and she decides to switch things up with this ash blonde bob makeover. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair ideas with me today. So many fun, fashion-forward looks. If you guys did enjoy today's styles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.